What's up, my people? Welcome back to part two of my oven jerk baked chicken. As you can see, inside this chicken, as you see in part one, lots of fresh ingredients inside. Right? I cut the wings off because I want it to come out nice. You understand me? So now that I oven jerk it, I'm gonna put it inside that pan, right? Then I'm gonna make sure to throw the rest of fresh herbs and spice, that which is right here. I'm showing you. I'm gonna throw that over it. Pour some beer in it, mix it up with some sauce, throw over it, and just put it in the oven and make it do its thing and bake away. See? When you come out, this is the real deal Jamaican jerk baked chicken. See? Inside the chicken, I don't want to open it up too much because I don't want it to, break apart, because it's really almost cooked, right? But inside is not yet. Inside is going to be baked, right? There's lots of fresh herbs and spice inside, and so that's what we're going to do now. So stay tuned, my people. Let me. I need my hands. That's the thing. So let me figure out what I'm going to do. Actually, let's do this. Right? I put my camera up here. All I have to do is tilt it, right? So you guys can see what I'm doing. So now, my peeps, as you can see, now now that I get the jerk part of the barbecue chicken done, part two now. Part two, I have to take this out. And I want to take it out and put it right on top there. Right? I want it right on top so I can transfer it over much better. Right? Look at that. Yeah, that is it. Now, as you can see, that's the chicken right there, my peeps. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Then I want to flip it so you can see both sides. It have to have this little crisp, burnt. It look like it burnt, but it's not good. This is the best part, man. Then flip it. Ah, nice. See, that's what I'm talking about, the peeps. Now, I want to drop it inside here. Alright, so drop it inside. Unless I'm going to eat this, right? No, it don't make sense. Put like that. Yeah. That's mine. So, all right. Put this aside. No. Look at this now. What I'm going to do, my peeps. So, as you can see, the juice from the chicken, you don't want to waste that. Trust me, you don't. That's all the good is inside that water you're looking at right there. All right, so we're gonna throw it on this, mix it up, throw it on this. We're gonna throw a little bit of beer in it and some barbecue sauce. Mix it up and then throw it over this. Cover it down. Right, I'm going to put the foil paper over it plus the cover, and make it do its thing. So let's stay tuned, my people. Let me show you how we do Jamaican jerk baked chicken. Alright, first I want this. Alright, let's stay tuned to watch what's going on. Let's watch what's going on. Nice. All right, my people. Now, my peeps. So, and this, see, that's all this seasoning, fresh herbs and spice, right? Plus some dry herbs and spice too. So what we're gonna do with this now, my people? Let me show you. First, we're gonna throw some little bit of Jamaican marinated jerk sauce. Right, not much, just a little bit. This is good, man. Remember this name. See this name? If you go into any store, you want to get this one. This is one of my favorites. It's really good. Lots of pimento is in this. It's real island vibes. Really. Alright, so now, next thing I'm going to put in some beer. Cold 45. Look at that. Beep. Cold 45. That's what I'm telling you. That's it. And maybe a little bit more for good measure. Why not? And this is what the marinade for this meat. Don't throw that in. Look at the tips. Huh? No. We're gonna throw that over the chicken and then cover it up. Alright, put it back. No. Let me zoom out so you can see better. Alright, much better. So now, what we're gonna do, throw it over it. Right, nice. That's what we want right there, peeps. See that? Then we're gonna cover it, seal it down with some paper, tin foil, right? And then I should lock off the grill. Right? Grill off, make it stay off for a minute, and then we're gonna turn it on, bake, right? And then we're gonna put it, cover it up, put it in, and make it stay there and just do its thing, right? Within, I would say, I'll give it for good measure 37 minutes, 40 minutes, you know, because, you know, I'm Jamaican, meat I feel really, especially when you're gonna do jerk and bake, it gotta be done good, because if you don't, then inside is not fully cooked, right? And it have lots of fresh seasoning inside here. The same seasoning you see on top, it's inside, right? So you want to make sure it cook good, but nice, tender, and taste like Jamaica, the real Jamaica. See? All right, my people, stay tuned. Let me cover this up, and that is my Jamaican jerk beak chicken. See? Lots of fresh herbs and spice. Alright, now, as you can see, cut my finger, and just a little cut, but you know what cut it to? I'll show you. I put this thing in the drawer. This is from a Ninja, the blender. I put it in the drawer, and then I just reach in, I forgot that this was in it. I got it. Next time, people, if you guys do this, don't put it in the jar where the rest of the utensils are. By accident, you put your hand in it and just cut. And this thing is very sharp. So, yeah, remove it and put it where the blender is. Alright, people. Now, saying that, let's cover this up. Now we can turn on the oven. Yeah, it's ready. That is it, my people. The water cover up. No. Put the cover over it. And then make it go on, put it in the oven. Put that over my piece here. Alright, nice. Push it up more. That is it, my people. So now when we come back, we'll show you what it look like coming out the pot. You know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned. We're gonna just go on pause for a minute, my people. It don't make sense to keep running and talking, you know? So, be right back.